As we have successfully set up Jupyter Lab using Docker, let's understand details related to the Jupyter Lab environment to explore AWS. You can follow these even if you set up Jupyter Lab directly using Python-based virtual environment or Conda-based virtual environment. Jupyter Lab provides us an interface to learn the new skills in interactive fashion, especially using Python. However, these days they have added additional kernels to support other programming languages as well. It is developed by the Python extended community to streamline the learning process. It has several features, but we will primarily use these to learn AWS Stack, Notebook to learn Python-based libraries interactively, Terminal to run required shell commands. If you get into the Jupyter Lab environment using which we have already logged in, and if you go to the home page or landing page, you can see that it have launcher, and as part of the launcher you can see notebooks with Python 3. This is IPython console. This is terminal. We'll be primarily using the notebook and terminal. Notebook is primarily used to learn Boto 3. Terminal is primarily used to learn AWS CLI. These are the two things which you will be using. However, when it comes to terminal, we use very limited. We will use something called as shell magic, which I will be covering in a moment, to actually run shell commands using this web-based interface. We will not be launching terminal too often. That being said, we'll be setting up AWS CLI on this Docker container to run AWS commands. We'll also use Python Boto 3 to interact with AWS services. Let's get into the details about setting up these libraries as well as the CLI, and then we'll take it further.